What you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and power it on, and as you power it on, you're going to hit the reset button. You're going to hold it down. So like on the Xbox One and S, you see here, it's right below the console button, and it's right there. It'll have like little arrows there, and you're going to hold that down. So let's go ahead and do that now. So let's power it on and hold down the reset button right here. You want to hold it down for at least 3 seconds. And then when you do that, you want to turn on the controller, and that should connect. So it did. You may want to hold both of them down at the same time, the reset and this button at the same time. So let's go ahead and do that. So you see there, it turned on. So most consoles, it's a black button. So on the S and X, it should be under here. And some of the older models, it'll be like on the left side. You just have to look for it because it's kind of hidden.